Hi guys, Alex Filvet is here, and this is my 11th video about my personal project. It is environment scene. So it is a military hangar with rocket inside in Gears of War 5 universe. And in this video I want to tell you about trim texture. So what is the difference between usual texture and trim texture? And at the same time I can tell you what is tileable texture. So usual texture, if you will put just next, like, let me show you, I think it will be more obvious for you and more understandable. So for example here, I guess it's usual version. Yeah, so let me show you. Okay, copy and paste. And here you can see that if we're gonna copy and paste and put next to, let's put as well on the right. So it will be even more obvious for you guys. So in this case we can see the seam, right? But what if we want to get some kind of view that it's just only one element without any seams? Sometimes we need it, and especially if you want to put some elements on your wall, on your fence, and so on. Something big or something long, you know. What we can do is to make it trim as a trim texture. Why I can see the seam? I guess it's just some issue in my Photoshop, because right now you cannot see it, and that was my goal, to get this kind of result. Let's duplicate it, copy and paste. Let's put it from the right. Yeah, it's kind of weird. Okay, I think it's just issue of my Photoshop. Never mind. But at least you got the idea that in this case we can put some really long fence or wall, and with this kind of texture we won't see any seams. And that's exactly what we wanted from the beginning, right? And additionally, I told you that I'm gonna tell you about tileable texture and the difference between trim and tileable. That trim textures can repeat some elements only horizontally or vertically, only in this one direction, or horizontally or vertically. But in case with tileable textures, it just repeats all these elements of this texture in both directions. But in this case, mostly we can use these kind of textures for some, I don't know, stones, concrete, and maybe snow, or yeah, something like this. You got the idea. Something where you can put this texture just to cover a huge area without any seams. Yeah, and by the way, this kind of textures you can create in within Substance Designer 3D. Yeah, but in case with trim textures, you have to fix it in Photoshop. You can use this clone tool, and then and I can even show you. So where is my first version? Where is it? Okay, I guess it's here. Let's do it in this way. So just press Alt. And let's increase the size of our brush. Yeah, still you can see the seam, but because you have to do the same on this side as well, so in this case we won't see this gradient, that you can see that it's getting brighter at the end. But from this side, now it's equal in this area and here. Yeah. Thank you and have a good one.